What's something people don't know about space? The 21st century has witnessed humanity's relentless pursuit of space exploration. We've sent probes to distant planets, landed rovers on Mars, and established a continuous human presence in low Earth orbit with the International Space Station. But as we venture further into the cosmos, a sobering reality sets in. Space, like any other frontier throughout history, will inevitably become a battlefield. Historically, wherever humans have traveled, conflict has followed. Space, with its vast untapped resources and strategic high ground, is unlikely to be an exception. As we push the boundaries of technology and expand our footprint in space, we must confront the possibility of conflict among nations, corporations, and even future spacefaring civilizations. This is not to say that a future of space warfare is inevitable or desirable. However, it is essential to acknowledge the possibility of conflict and prepare for it responsibly. The image of space battleships exchanging laser fire might seem like the stuff of science fiction, but the reality of space warfare is likely to be far more complex and nuanced. While Hollywood often depicts space battles as visually stunning dogfights, the physics of space dictate a different kind of combat. In the vacuum of space, there is no air resistance, meaning spacecraft can achieve incredible speeds and maneuver in ways impossible in Earth's atmosphere. Weapon systems in space would also be vastly different from their terrestrial counterparts. Traditional firearms are useless in the vacuum of space, and explosives would behave unpredictably. Instead, space warfare is likely to involve high-energy lasers, kinetic kill vehicles, and other advanced technologies that can operate effectively in the harsh environment of space. These weapons would be capable of inflicting devastating damage, potentially crippling or destroying spacecraft with pinpoint accuracy. The vast distances involved in space also present unique challenges for warfare. This delay in communication and targeting information would make real-time command and control extremely difficult, forcing commanders to rely on autonomous systems and artificial intelligence to make split-second decisions. The future of space warfare will be characterized by the development and deployment of advanced weaponry capable of operating effectively in the unique environment of space. Lasers, with their ability to travel at the speed of light and deliver precise bursts of energy, are likely to play a crucial role in space combat. These weapons could be used to disable enemy sensors, disrupt communications, or even destroy critical systems on enemy spacecraft. Another promising technology is the kinetic kill vehicle, essentially a high-speed projectile launched from a spacecraft or satellite. Railguns, which use electromagnetic forces to launch projectiles at incredibly high speeds, are also being considered for space warfare applications. The development of powerful and compact railguns could revolutionize space warfare, providing nations with a decisive advantage in any future conflict. The vast distances, high speeds, and complex environments involved in space warfare will necessitate the use of advanced artificial intelligence, or AI. Human reaction times are simply too slow to cope with the demands of space combat, where decisions must be made in fractions of a second. AI systems will be essential for tasks such as target identification, threat assessment, and weapons engagement. Spacecraft of the future are likely to be highly automated, with AI systems controlling everything from propulsion and navigation to weapon systems and defensive countermeasures. This will free up human crew members to focus on strategic decision-making and mission objectives. The potential for AI to make life or death decisions in the heat of battle raises profound questions about accountability, responsibility, and the future of warfare itself. While AI and automation will undoubtedly play a significant role in future space conflicts, the human element will remain crucial. Ultimately, it is humans who will set the strategic objectives, make the final decisions, and bear the ultimate responsibility for the consequences of space warfare. One of the most significant challenges for humans in space warfare will be the psychological toll of combat in such an unforgiving environment. The stress of battle, coupled with the isolation and confinement of space travel, will undoubtedly take a heavy toll on even the most seasoned astronauts. Developing effective countermeasures to mitigate the psychological effects of space combat will be crucial for maintaining the combat effectiveness of human space crews. The use of force in space raises profound questions about the nature of war, the rules of engagement, and the potential for collateral damage. The future of space warfare is fraught with uncertainty, but one thing is certain: it will be a complex and rapidly evolving domain. As technology advances and our presence in space expands, the nature of conflict in space is likely to change dramatically. New technologies, such as directed energy weapons, hypersonic missiles, and cyber warfare capabilities, could fundamentally alter the balance of power in space. The emergence of new spacefaring nations and the growing role of private companies in space exploration will further complicate the picture. Competition for resources, strategic locations, and technological superiority could lead to tensions and even conflict between these actors. The choices we make today will determine the fate of humanity's future in space, for better or for worse. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the future of space exploration.